of English for today. Now take your textbook and notebook. Attention please. Look at the picture. Do you know the picture? It is a picture of May Day. Students, today our topic is May Day. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifice of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the USA, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvesting Company in Chicago went on strike, demanding an 8-hour work day. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvester Company, and about 6,000 workers had joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They asked the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle, and not to give in to their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strikebackers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One strike was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many of them were injured. The event of May 1st, 1886 is a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay, and better lives. Let's go. Now we see some words with its meaning. Please concentrate. Word and meaning: observe, উদযাপন করা, commemorate, স্মৃতিচারণ করা, sacrifice, ত্যাগ, struggle, সংগ্রাম, establish, প্রতিষ্ঠা করা, inspire, উৎসাহিত করা, demand, দাবি করা, urge, প্রেরণ করা, suddenly, হঠাৎ, attack, আক্রমণ করা, instantly, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে, wound, আহত হওয়া, reminder, স্মরণচিহ্ন, continue, চলতে থাকা, exploit, শোষণ করা। Now write down all these words in your notebook. Dear student, choose the correct answer. Question 1. Historical means answer historic. Question 2. May Day is a gap holiday. Answer a public. Question 3. May Day is observed gap across the world. Answer unitedly. Question 4. The word really means. Answer gathering. Question 5. The policeman attacked. Answer the strikers. Question 6. How many strikers were shot dead? Answer 1. Question 7. The day reminds the historic gaps of working people. Answer struggle. Students, now we solve the following question. Answer the following question. Question 1. What does May Day commemorate? Answer. May Day commemorates the epoch-making struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. Question 2. Which demand did the workers struggle for? Answer. The workers struggle for an 8-hour workday. Question 3. Why is the event of May 1st, 1886 a reminder for the workers? Answer. The event of May 1st, 1886 is a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and raise their voice for better working conditions, better pay, and better lives. Question 4. Why did the workers of Chicago go on a strike? Answer. The workers of Chicago went on a strike to establish an 8-hour workday. Question 5. What inspired the workers? How did many workers join the rally? Answer. The trade unions inspired the workers. Many workers joined the rally unitedly. Dear student, homework for your today homework. Question 1. What does May Day refer to? Question 2. How long did the workers have to work How long did the workers have to work in a day before the May 1st strike? Question 3. What do you learn from the events of May 1st, 1886? You will submit your homework to your English teacher. Thank you to all of your students. Stay home, stay safe.